If you are creating or using custom personality chips, there's something I want to bring your attention to. On Thingiverse, user Spudinator has posted this. It is a chip clip, and it goes over your personality chip like so. It clicks into place using the holes in the personality chip, and you get something that looks a bit like the stock personality chip. This is great, especially if you have an R unit droid. Getting the personality chips out can be a bit of a hassle, and this gives you something to grab onto and makes pulling out the chips much easier. The way it works is you just, again, put it in, it clips onto those holes and through little nubs that are inside, and I'm not going to do it with this because I want to save this one for later, but it'll click into place and it's a really sturdy fit. It holds on really nice. There's a version of this for through-hole versions of this, the ones that have the 8-pin dip package memory chips. So it has a little hole cut out here to make room for that chip. So you don't have to just have a surface mount version. You can have the through-hole version of the custom personality chip, and there is a chip clip for you as well. And after you print them out, these I printed out on a Elegoo Mars, which is a UV curable resin, what do they call it, SLA 3D printer. But it also works with what are those, FDM printers, the ones that melt plastic filament onto and deposit it onto a bed in layers. Those work too. And what you can do is once you print them out, if you want, you can paint them whatever colors you want. I used, literally having never really painted anything before, went to a department store, bought a couple of brushes and some gold and some neon pink acrylic paint because they were on clearance and I wasn't certain whether or not I'd be able to pull this off. And yeah, it came out actually pretty good. I didn't use primer or anything. I probably should have though. And of course you can spray paint them. You can probably decorate them with, stickers or whatever you want. And now you have a little chip clip. And you can take them out. This one's, I've inserted and removed this chip enough that the nubs that they click into on this one have worn down a little bit, but it still provides a firm connection so that I can still pull this out from the personality, from the droid. I can still pull the personality chip out of the droid. There, that's what I meant to say. So yeah, so there will be a link down below if you are interested in printing these out yourself. If you don't have a 3D printer, there are services online that you can upload the 3D file to, and they will print it for you. I have no suggestions or recommendations for services to use to do that because I haven't used any. So you'll have to do your own research on that. So, but the point being that even if you don't have a 3D printer, there are options out there for you to get your own custom personality chip clips. I don't know what you want to call them. I just like calling them chip clips. Cool? Cool.